Hello students, I warmly welcome to English online class. Last class we have seen Unit 3 poem I Am Every Woman. So I recollect the points once again. So the woman is some inborn qualities. Basically she has some inborn qualities. She has a strong woman. She doesn't afraid of anything. She has a strong belief. At the same time, summer of life, that is difficult times, she can face the life very boldly and she will expect the springtime, that is prosperous time in her future. She is a real woman. She doesn't afraid of anything. She has a strong faith. She believes herself. She has a strong determination. She will fight for the whole life. And also she takes care of the whole family. The family which depends the woman only. So these are the important points we have discussed in last class. So today we'll continue. We'll move on to the next stanza. Fourth stanza. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. She is a lioness means she has a strong power. Don't mess with her. Mess with her, it is a phrase. Mess with her means to tease or play a joke. So don't tease the woman. Okay? If we tease the woman means we will be punished because she is a lioness. Can you understand? So don't tease, don't play joke among the women. If you tease woman means definitely you will be punished. So she is a lioness, don't mess with her. Don't mess with her means to tease or play a joke. She will not spare if you are prankster. Prankster means a person who acts mischievous. Who is called prankster? The person who behaves mischievously. That is the person we call as prankster. So if you are a prankster means she will not spare you. She will kill you. If you are a prankster means she will kill you. Don't ever try to saw her pride, her self-respect. She has a strong self-respect. She has never left the self-respect to anyone. So she has a self-respect woman. She knows how to thaw you, how to saw you, so beware. So if you are a prankster, if you tease the woman means definitely thaw you, saw you means here she will kill you. She will destroy you. So don't play with women, don't tease the woman. That is the fourth stanza. Here the poetess explains the woman's power. She is a very bold and courageous person. She is a lioness. Don't mess with her. Okay, don't tease the woman. She will not spare if you are a prankster. If you are a prankster means she never ever leaves you. So don't try ever to saw her pride, her self-respect. So she pride of her woman, she has a self-respect person. She maintains her dignity always, all the places. So she knows how to saw you, so beware. Saw you means she will destroy, she will kill. So if you are a prankster means definitely she will kill. So this stanza explains the power of woman. See the next one. She is today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. So today's woman, we have to give a proper respect to the woman because she has some self-respect, she has some dignity. So all the men, people who have to give the respect to the woman. So she is today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. We have to give the right respect to all the women because if the woman studies well means the whole family, the whole society will develop. So because of the woman only, the family members are depending upon the woman. So the children, the grandparents, everyone will depend the woman. So the woman have a strong self-respect. We have to give the respect to the woman. We have to love her. So the final two lines. She is today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. We have to love the woman. We have to give the respect. Keep her near. We have to give the right education in the society, in all the places. So in the fourth stanza, so what are the rhyming words? Her, prankster, respect, beware. So her, prankster means here A. Self-respect means B. Again, beware means A. So the rhyme schemes are in fourth stanza A, B, A. Can you understand the rhyming scheme? Because her, prankster, the same pronunciation, and self-respect, it is a different one. And the last line, beware. So her, prankster, beware. So the three words are same pronunciation, same sounds. So you have to give the rhyming scheme A, B, A. So these are the rhyme schemes on that fourth stanza. So last stanza only we have two lines, just two lines. Here dear and near. So we'll give A and A because dear, near, that is same sound, same pronunciation. So we'll give the rhyme scheme A and A. So can you understand the poem I am every woman? It is the woman's power, woman's strength. So when you compare to the ancient women and modern women, so in the lot of field they have developed. So in the ancient time, the women were dominated by men, but in at present situation, okay, women have dominated the men in all the field. So we have to give the respect to the whole woman society. That is the main theme of the poem I am every woman. It is explained by, that is, Rocky Narayani Sri. Yes, so in your textbook some glossary words are given. You can go through the glossary words. As well as, dear students, in your page number 85, you can turn the page number 85. There are some appreciation questions. Okay, so I'll read the lines and I'll say the answer. So make note of it. Page number 85. See, the summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. This is second stanza. So what does the word summer mean here? So already I have told you, that is, summer means some difficult times of woman's life. Okay, difficulties in woman's life. Because summer means we will face some difficult situation, all the people. So like that here, summer means difficulties in woman's life. That is summer. Second question, how does she take life? So how does she take life? That means she takes her life always optimistically. So optimist means positively. So you know the difference between optimistic and pessimistic. Pessimistic means negative one, negative way of thinking. Optimistic, it is a positive way of thinking. So here the woman, she takes her life always positively. So that is the answer of second one. And third one, what does the mean by spring will come again? Spring will come again means the woman hope of good times. She will expect the prosperous times. She will expect some good times in future. That is the spring. Springtime means we people live happily, no? The same way she will expect the good times. So the answer is hope of good times. We'll move on to next question. Second one. Strong is she in her faith and belief. Persistence is the key to everything she says. So the question number one. What is she strong about? She is strong about her faith and belief. This is the answer for the A question. Second one. How does she deal with adversities in life? So she continue to care for her near ones. The answer is she deals to continue to care for near ones. The third one, despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith and firm in her belief. A question, is she complaining about the problems of life? No, she is not complaining about the problems of life. So the answer is no. Pick out the words that show her grit. So the words are grit, the positive words, the two lines, strong and firm. These are the grit words in third lines, strong and firm. Fourth one, don't ever try to saw her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to saw you, so beware. So what do the words tha and saw mean? Here means, tha means destroy. So the answer tha means destroy. Saw means cut something. That is, she kills, cut something. So tha means destroying, saw means cut something. So what is the tone of the author? So the tone of the author, that is tone of the poet, is aggressive. So the answer is aggressive. So the tone of the poet is very aggressive. So the last one, she is today's woman. Today's woman dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. So describe today's woman according to the poet. So the today's woman is ferocious like a lioness. So the today's woman very ferocious like lioness. And the last one, how should be a woman be treated? So we should treat the woman. We have to give the right respect. We have to love her because she has a strong dignity. We have to give the right respect to the woman. So that is the last question answer. So go through all the appreciation questions and answers, as well as I Am Every Woman. It is a memory poem. So you go through all the lines. So we'll see you in next class. Thank you, students.